I will show how to buy shares of Applus Services SA with the exact search, How to Buy Shares of Applus Services SA, for a clear step-by-step walkthrough. Applus is a global testing, inspection, and certification firm listed on CBOE EU under the ticker APPS.MC, and this is educational only, not financial advice. You need a broker to trade APPS.MC, and I will use eToro as an example to demonstrate the steps. After registering, you must verify your account, usually with an official ID, and you will also need to add funds before you can place a purchase. Use the platform search bar and type the ticker APPS.MC to find Applus Services SA. Locate the listing that matches the company name and exchange to ensure you have the correct share. On the asset page, review the company summary and the price chart to confirm this is Applus Services SA. Verify the exchange shows CBOE EU and that the ticker reads APPS.MC before moving on. To invest, click the Buy or Invest button, enter the amount you want to allocate, then carefully review the order details and confirm. If the market is closed, your order will be scheduled to execute when the market opens, and if there are insufficient funds, the platform will prompt you to add them before completing the trade. Your new position will appear in your portfolio where you can monitor it over time. For a direct link to eToro and more information, see the description below.